What's up, everyone? All right, so Monday morning, I thought this was going to be a really slow day. The watch list wasn't that interesting, and I said, listen, guys, this might be a day where we just have to be content with sitting on our hands and waiting for better opportunities to come around. And then we saw NFEC hit the high-day momentum scanner. It hit the scanner a few times around $1.15, and I didn't even get in until $1.50. But it went all the way up to $3.50. I made $9,268.05 in 38 minutes. My work is done, and I'm wearing red today. I won't tell you where, but I am wearing red. So another awesome day of trading. Great start to the week. Now up about $30,000 on the month. This is what I needed, so really pumped, and we're going to break it down in today's midday market recap. All right, you guys, so here we are finishing the morning, up $9,268 between my main trading account and my IRA. So this is a nice big jump forward in my IRA. I really needed it. $1,815 with two trades on NFEC. So yes, I used up two of my day trades this week on NFEC, but it was worth it. That's more than 10%, almost 20% account growth in one day, like 16, 18% or something like that. So I'm excited for that. I'll open tomorrow close to $12,000. $25,000. That's the line in the sand, and it's been really slow for me to get there, mostly because I've been so conservative about what I've been willing to trade. I've only been willing to trade really A quality setups, and sometimes there have been stocks that go up 100 or 200%, but I never really see an A quality setup, so I don't get an opportunity to get in. But I definitely nailed it on NFEC. If anything, I left money on the table. I'm 100% aware of that. I got in this at $2.50 with 3,000 shares, and I sold it at $2.82. Now, I recorded all of my live trading on this one, and I'll tell you that it's not easy to try to trade in two accounts at the same time. I'm trading this account and I'm long, and then I'm like, okay, I got to put out the hotkey to sell. And here's the problem. If I sell on the ask and I only fill 150 shares instead of my full order, then I'm going to have to exit in two orders, and that counts as two trades. So you have to be a little bit more conservative about where you're willing to sell when you decide to sell on the ask. And yeah, I left money on the table, but one of the things that I said during the live trading is that if you're not leaving money on the table, you're giving back profits. You're going to be doing one or the other, and I'd rather leave money on the table and walk away with $9,200 of profit than give it back, especially in the IRA. So slow and steady is good. This is the type of day I needed here in this account. And on my main account, I got a couple of good trades on this, and then I started scalping it. So the first entry was actually at $1.50, which was a great entry, but I was well aware of the fact that it was kind of extended. And I didn't really think it would do a lot more than maybe go to $1.75, maybe $2. I didn't really expect it to go to $2. It tapped $1.59. I was in at $1.47, $1.50, $1.58, $1.59. And then I added for this little kind of micro pullback, because it sort of pulled back here and then surged back up. It hit $1.65 and then up to 76, but it was a little sluggish there. And so I was selling some shares at $1.60, $1.64, $1.75, pretty much all out of it. And then boom, it has this big candle up to 223. And I was like, hindsight's always 2020, but I felt like I missed out on that. It then dips down here. I wanted to buy at 210 on this dip for a retest of the highs. I ended up really on this one only getting in at 236 right before the halt. But I also bought in my IRA account here, unfortunately, and this is for whatever reason, just the way it goes. I put out an order for, 4,000 shares or something like that. And I only filled 350 of them. I guess, I filled 350, and it must have filled the rest when it came back. No, where was that? And now I'm losing my place, but because I don't think it's not showing the actual quantity that got filled. It was down here. So I filled right here with an order at 225 to buy like 4,000 shares. I only filled 350. So then I placed a second order at 250 after the halt and added 3,000 there. So now I have 3,300 shares, and that's where I sold them at 280. And again, I didn't know. I thought, geez, if it hits $2, it hits $3, that's pretty good. It might see some resistance there at the whole dollar. It hit 3. It went all the way to 333, 347, and 363. So, hey, I love seeing the momentum, and I'm okay with leaving some money on the table when I'm walking away with almost $10,000. But definitely a huge move. So if we start seeing more moves like this, you can count on the fact that I'm going to be taking bigger size. I'll go back up to 15, 17, 20,000 share positions. And really try to capitalize on these opportunities if we start seeing them on a regular basis. Today was a great day. I was a little more aggressive with 12,000 shares. I increased my my max share size on my trading here from 7,500 shares to 15,000. I'll put this at 15,100 or 15,001 share. So I'll probably max out at 15,000 for a little while. But I can always override that. It's not a problem. I just have to make the decision that I'm willing to do it. And it slows me down a little bit because it does pop up a warning message. But, and then on NFEC, so adding at 36, adding at 75, 75, adding at 99, and then selling the whole thing, 307, 305. And that's where I booked the big win on NFEC. So really is from 250 to the $3 area. And then these were scalps, 333 to 344. I'm not sure how many trades I took in total, 35 executions, but maybe it was several. There's one there, so that's 2, 3, plus this one was 4, and yeah, so I guess about 4 trades and 4 winners in my main account, 2 trades and 2 winners in my IRA. So 6 trades, 6 winners, $9,268 between the 2 accounts. Not bad at all. I mean, this is traders will say, some people will say, geez, how much money do you have to be able to take these trades? I only have $60,000 in this account. So making $7,400 is more than 10%. And 10,000 shares of a stock priced at $1.50 is only $15,000 cash. So it's not like I'm using all of my buying power. This just happens to be my account size right now. So green is good, growing the account. This is the type of day I needed here as we come into the last couple weeks of March. So getting closer to being up 30,000 on the month, which is great. And, just these days like this, they're surprises. I don't expect them, but I love them. So we get a couple more days like this month, and I'll be looking at a $50,000 month, right back into really, really good shape. That's how quickly the tables can turn. So like I said, a good day, not what I expected, but very happy with it, and we'll be back at it first thing tomorrow morning and see if we can keep stacking up some of these gains. All right, so that's it for me. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll be back at it first thing tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., 9:15 for pre-market analysis. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Well, I was just working on the dream board for my next home run trade. Hopefully it comes soon. Until then, make sure you subscribe to get email alerts anytime I go live or upload new videos. Until then, happy surfing